Hey gang, Sally here. Hope you're having an amazing and fascinating day. I know I am. Where'd you go, Kit? Hey, Kit, Kit. You were just ready. Well, I guess he doesn't want to say hello. As always, he's like tucked behind me while I'm lounging on the sofa. This is a slightly different, let's put the shade down, slightly different configuration than you usually get to see me in because I'm in convalescent mode. And I finally figured out that I can sort of kind of work from lounging on the sofa. So that's what I'm doing. So what do we have going on today? Well, we are still back in September of 2024, and I'm bringing you kind of a compilation today. So the first part of this is going to be visiting LLBean in Freeport, Maine, and then we move on to Bangor, where I visited Stephen King's home. In fact, all things Stephen King, who, by the way, is my favorite author, without a doubt. Um, we visited the Thomas Hill Standpipe, and we visited several other things which I couldn't actually get out and look at, but we visited his home, which he no longer lives in. It's now part of the Stephen and Tabitha King Foundation. Drove by some of his radio stations, did a whole bunch of stuff. Had a really good time in Bangor. And then from there, we went up about half an hour or so south of Millinocket, where we found a beautiful free campsite in Seboeis Lake. Oh, and in between, sorry, after LLBean, I spent a couple of nights in a church parking lot in Hampton Highlands, just kind of regrouping and relaxing a little bit. We did some laundry before we got there. So you're going to get to see all the stuff. Without further ado, well, almost without further ado, because I first of all have to thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate you taking your time to watch my videos. And if you're watching this close to real time, I've had a whole bunch of new subscribers in the past couple of days. So thanks to all of you who have recently joined. Thanks to all of you who have been with me from the beginning. And if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing. If you share this video with other people, that helps to get it out. Likes, comments are all free. I appreciate all of that stuff. Thank you so much for being here. Let's roll the intro and get right into this.
Wake up with the sun in our eyes. Sally forth, no need for goodbyes. Journey calls, let's roll the dice. Every mile a new surprise.
I am in the land of LLBean. So this is the bike, boat, and ski shop. I think the big building is over there in the back. That's the home store behind here. I'm looking for the outlet center first, which I think is going to be over here. Yes. So we're gonna go check that out. Freeport, Maine, baby. I never thought I'd be here. That's crazy, I tell you, crazy. So we're gonna go check it out. Huh, they're having a sale. Maybe I should go buy a bike. Maybe we'll go take a look. Well, definitely a tourist attraction. It's got a tour bus here, go figure. And look at all the people holding their cameras way out in front of them. That's just funny. All right, pretty interesting. Electronic surveillance, no trespassing. Please don't enter the grounds. Okay, cool. We're not gonna enter the grounds, but check this out, guys. Three-headed bat creature. That's pretty cool. Oh, I see. It says SK Tours of Maine. Locales made famous by Stephen King. I guess for those that don't want to drive themselves. I think I need more to drink. I'm all hoarse. Kit, come around. Thank you. Cool. It's number 47. Very cool. Nice house. All right, check this out. That's a very interesting totem. It really is a beautiful house. And apparently there are 6 or 8 actual stops on this tour that they're doing. Plus, the driver does a lot of talking about all of the sites and so forth. So that's cool. We're in Bangor, guys, and I've been looking at quirky Stephen King spots. This is the Thomas Hill standpipe, which was featured, I think, in It. I can't remember for sure. We've already visited his house, which is no longer his house. Now it belongs to the Stephen and Tabitha King Foundation. But the standpipe was designed by Ashley B. Tower and built in 1897 in only 6 months. It's actually 2 structures. It's a 1.75 million gallon riveted steel tank enclosed by a wooden jacket. Tank's 75 feet in diameter and 50 feet tall, and it's topped by a carousel from which 24 iron trusses reach out to the sides of the building. And then this wooden jacket is 110 feet high, 85 feet in diameter, and consists of 24 12 by 12 by inch by 48 foot hardwood pine main posts covered by 42,000 board feet of hard pine and 220,000 cedar shingles. Wow. It sits upon a stone foundation 9 feet high, that would be this right here, and 3.5 feet thick. A 100-step winding staircase, see the windows, leads to the 12-foot wide promenade deck, which overlooks the city of Bangor and surrounding communities. It's topped off with a 35-foot high flagpole and a railing consisting of 192 banisters, which give it the look of a large wedding cake or a crown when it's lit up at night. The standpipe continues to provide water storage and regulates water pressure for the city of Bangor. So pretty interesting. Yeah, you can see, I think, there we go. You can see the windows going up all the way around as the staircase circulates, as the circular staircase ascends. There we go. Now, I might go up the staircase. Highly unlikely that I would actually go out on the promenade. And we don't get to find out today because it's not open. And I'm okay with that. All right, so we're going to take a walk down here because I saw something else that looks interesting over here. So let's go take a look and see what this is. And it is on the Register of Historic Places. Oh, Bird Conservation Club. So is this a bird bath? I guess it is. Doesn't appear to be in operation, but that's pretty cool. In memory of its founder, Florence Bracci, I can't tell what that is. Buzzle? Erected in 1922 by the Bird Conservation Club. All right, that was pretty cute. Cute little park here. This is our 3rd stop on the Stephen King Quirky Tour. We only did a drive-by for the sewer grate from it. I couldn't pull over and get in there, but here's a much better view of the standpipe. Pretty cool. I know laundry's not all that exciting, guys, but have you ever seen a basket like this? Look at this. It's lower in the front, so it actually fits underneath the door, and higher in the back so you can get all your stuff in. Let me do that. So guys, this is Wendy. Say hi, Wendy. She says she's the only full-time employee and she's doing an excellent job. I've been very, very pleased. We are at the Laundry Basket in Bangor, Maine, my first East Coast laundry. And I just want to show you the place. Just take a look around. It's super neat and clean. All of the machines are working. There's a bonus. Oh, there's your bonus. There's Kit. My laundry is all done. I got 2 full baskets full. But yeah, the machines work really well. They even take credit cards and they even do Apple Pay. And Wendy was super, super nice and helped me out with all the stuff I didn't know about what I didn't know about. So we're good for another month now. Thank you, Wendy.
You're welcome.
With laundry completed, we continued our drive from Bangor to Hampton Highlands, where we stayed at the Hampton Highlands United Methodist Church for a couple of nights. Beautiful view out of their parking lot, and the hydrangeas were just absolutely stunning. As you can see, I was taken with their beauty, and it was nice to be able to sit there and recharge for a couple of nights before moving on. Little did I know how good it was going to get. Even better. Well, here we are up in the Maine woods, and we are up here. We're, I think, about 11 miles from Millsacket, Maine, and we had to do several miles of dirt road to get back here. But the thing that's so cool is this is theoretically developed campsite. I mean, see, I've got a campsite number over there by the fire pit. I'm in campsite number 3. It's free, by the way. Department of Natural Resources. We are right by a lake. So I am really looking forward to spending some time here and just relaxing and doing some hiking with Kit. And yeah, waiting a little bit because, see, these trees over here are starting to get a little bit of color, but not really enough. So I want to get more toward the height. There are going to be a bunch of bugs here because I am right by a lake. So out that road is where I came in. And then the lake is, I don't know, 0.2 of a mile maybe? Not even that far, I think. So we'll check that out in the morning. But for now, I'm hungry. We're gonna get some dinner. Oh, and I've got a smoking hot signal, which I haven't actually measured my signal yet, but I'm gonna do that right away. And yeah, I'm excited. This is what I've been waiting for. Not tar docking, yay!